Hi everyone. I wanted to do a short video on the collaboration feature in AretaCare. This is something that we consistently hear from our power users is the most valuable thing that they find in AretaCare. And what collaboration lets you do is it allows you to share your care sessions with up to 9 other people. Those could be caregivers, family members, loved ones, people that are involved in your care, and you want to give them the ability to see the information that you're uploading to AretaCare. You want to give them the ability to upload information for you. It just allows you to create a shared space to manage your care where everybody sees the same chats, the same documents, the same audio recordings all in one place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk through a quick demo of how to set up collaborators and how to use the collaboration function. I'm going to start by just showing you how to add a collaborator to your session. So as you can see here, I'm in a test session, broken leg. If I want to add a collaborator, I just hit this little icon up here and it'll bring up the collaboration sheet. And you can see here that I'm currently the owner of this session and there are 2 people in the session. And that's because I've already added a collaborator, this test account. Now, once you add a collaborator, you have a couple of different options. You can remove that collaborator at any time, and when you do that, it takes effect immediately. Or you can even transfer ownership. So let's say that you started a care session for somebody else, and then they have an AretaCare account, and you want to transfer the ownership of the session to them. You can do that with the transfer ownership. Now, in terms of adding new collaborators, you just have to add their email address down here. And if the person already has an AretaCare account, they'll be added as a collaborator immediately. If they're not an AretaCare user, they'll receive an email inviting them to join AretaCare. And once they create an account, then they'll be added as a collaborator. And you'll see them as a pending collaborator if they don't already have an AretaCare account. So that's how you add collaborators in AretaCare. Now, to show you how collaborators work, right now you can see here, this is all just conversations between me and the AI. There's no collaborator really involved in these exchanges. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stop sharing in this view, and I'm going to switch actually over to the web view. So I've switched over to that test account. And one thing you'll notice here is all the messages that previously I'd sent now have my initials next to them. So this person can see all of my past history. They can see documents I've uploaded. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to send a message as the collaborator. And that message is just an updated X-ray. And so this is essentially, think of this as maybe a family member who, after your session with the doctor, has an X-ray that they're uploading to AretaCare on behalf of you for your care session. That's essentially what I'm doing here. What I'll do now is I'm going to stop sharing this version, the web view, and I'm going to switch back to iOS app. You can see now I have the test user who uploaded that image, and you'd see the AI's response. And I can also go into the document manager here in tools, and I can see that that image was uploaded by the test user. So as your collaborators upload documents, upload audio files, add chat messages, you'll be able to see who did what in the care session and follow along. And so this allows you and 9 other people to manage your care together. And it's just a really powerful way of using AretaCare. So I hope this short demo was helpful in getting started and using the collaboration function. If you haven't already, I encourage you to give it a try. It's just a really wonderful way to get everybody on the same page, have a lot of people different helping out with the care sessions. And we've just heard from a number of different users that this is one of the most valuable things they've found about AretaCare. So best of luck and thanks for watching.